everyone, myself Angelina. As we all know that India is a democratic country and it has a largest democracy in the world. So today we will give you a presentation on democracy. So let's start. I will tell you the introduction of democracy. Democracy is a system of government where power is vested in the people either directly or through elected representatives. It is the form of governance that emphasizes the protection of individual rights and freedom, promoting citizen participation and ensuring accountability in those of power. We should know the meaning of democracy as well. The term democracy originates from the two Greek words demos and kratos. Demos means people, kratos means power. In essence, democracy means power to the people. It is a system where citizens have the right to participate in the decision-making process either directly or through elected representatives and have, how they are governed. Now, I would like to call Navya to continue this topic.
I will tell you characteristics of democracy. First, rule of people. In democracy, the most important feature of democracy is rule of people. In democratic form of government, जो government है वो लोगों के द्वारा ही बनाई जाती है. The people are supreme. It is on the people. It is on the population of our country. The appoint that elect the representative for the government. What does it mean? It means that the most important feature of democracy is rule is done by the people and not by the military, not by the any army. Second point is opposite to dictatorship. The government is opposite to the dictatorship. जहाँ पर dictatorship में लोगों को force से अपनी power से वोट नहीं करने दिया जाता. In dictatorship where the people have not power to right to vote, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट में लोगों को इलेक्शंस को फाइट करने भी दिया जाता है और उनके पास पावर होती है कि वो अपने वोट को चूज कर सकते हैं, किसी भी गवर्नमेंट के सेक्शन को चूज कर सकते हैं. थर्ड पॉइंट इज पीपल आर सुप्रीम. इन डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट it is essential characteristic that people are supreme. People mean the people of our country. They basically are supreme. People are only 32 who decide who will be selected in the government, who will be elect the government. I can stand for election after 18 years. For an example, अगर 10 people participate करते एग्जाम elections में by the people only one can win. 4. Right to vote. In democracy, the people have the power to right to vote. They can power to select any section of the government. They have right to vote. Fifth point is accountability. The government is accountable to the people for its actions. Sixth point is protection of individual rights. Fundamental rights and freedom such as freedom of speech and assembly are protected. Seventh point is equality. All people are equal before the law. In equality, the people have not the power to judge any people for their religion, birth or place, caste, rich or poor, and any skin color. Now I will call Alia. Merits of democracy. First, encourages citizen participation. Democracy allows citizen participate in decision making. Second, promotes equality. Democracy promotes equality and justice for all citizens. Third, protection of individual rights. Democracy protects individual rights and freedom. Now I will call Himanshi.
Now, I will tell you the demerits of democracy. First, slow decision making. Democratic processes can be slow due to the need for census building, voting and debate. This can hinder quick responses to emergencies or cases. Second, influence of money. Wealthy individuals and corporations can disproportionately influence elections and policy making through campaign financing and lobbying. This undermines the principle of one person, one vote. Third, voter apathy. Low voter turnout can be occurred when citizens feel disengaged or disenchanted with the political processes. This leads to that governments that do not fully represent the population. Fourth, short-term focus. Elected officials often focus on short-term gains to secure re-election, which can lead to long-term issues like climate change, infrastructure, and social reform. Now, we will discuss some questions about democracy.
Now we will continue our question answer session. So you can ask any question to anyone. Is there anyone else who want to ask the question? Okay, Radhika, stand up.
I have a question. What is democracy?
What is democracy? Who wanna give the answer? Okay. Yes, Navya, you stand up.
Democracy is a system where the people elect their leaders.
Okay, democracy is a system where the people elect their leaders. Okay. Now you can ask second question. Who wanna ask? Yes, Yuvraj.
What is dictatorship?
What is dictatorship? Who wanna give the answer? Yes. Yes, you.
A form of government in which a person or small group rule with almost unlimited power.
Okay. Now who wanna ask the question? Yes. Who want to ask the question? Yes, Aniket. Yes, Angelina.
What is discrimination?
What is discrimination? Who wanna give the answer? Himanshi.
Where some people do not be treated equally based on their religion, caste, gender, etc. is called discrimination.
Okay. Okay, next question. Who wanna ask the next question? Yes, Kriyansh.
What is untouchability?
What is untouchability? Who will give the answer? Okay, Aniket, you stand up.
Untouchability is a form of social discrimination and exclusion based on caste, where individuals belonging to lower castes are called Dalits.
Okay, next question. Okay. Yes, Alia.
Why all citizens treated equally?
Why all citizens treated equally? Who want to give the answer? Yes, Shadan.
All citizens treated equally because government wants to give equal rights and laws